So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over kind of like a colored flame packs. This is the 60 pack, and I'll just kind of like go over it here. It enhances your fire experience. And looking over here, it's got fire pits, wood stoves, fireplaces, and campfires. So I have a small fire pit back here behind my house, and what I like to do is kind of sit out here and chill out by the fire pit. So I want to pick up some of these, and this apparently blows. It will, like, you'll throw them in there, it'll have red, yellow, orange, green, blue, different colors of flames will be coming out. I think this is a great option for anyone that's got, like, you know, camping or any type of outdoors or anything like that. Let me show you what these are. I've already actually used one, but let me show you the packs right here. So what these packs are, you'll just toss this entire pack into the fire while it's already going. You do not open this pack. You don't cut it open. All you do is toss it in there and it will start flaming up. And looking over the back here, what they actually suggest, they say, like, for best results, place 1 to 3 unopened packets in more of an established fire, kind of indoor or outdoor. You kind of lay them all around, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead, build a fire. I'll wait till it kind of gets a little darker out here, and then we'll throw down 3 of these packets and we'll see what they come up with. Okay, everybody, I just built a fire here. I laid my 3 packs out, so let's go ahead. Let's toss the fire. Let's toss the pack in there and see what it does in the fire. Now, I just put this cardboard on there, and then I threw on some boards, some logs on top of it. So what I'm going to do is put one over here, right in that corner right there. And I don't know how well you can see it in the camera. And then I'm going to put another one right there. And then we'll put a third one right over here on that log. I will push it up under there a little more, and we'll let them catch on. Actually, that one's already burning right there. Let's see if it starts changing the colors. It just shifted a little bit, which is kind of crazy because I don't know how well it's coming out on the camera, but everybody, you can definitely see it right there on that. I don't want to get my camera too close. It might hurt the lens. But look at all of that blue, green coming out of that right there. That looks awesome. So yeah, I think these things work. I think this is a great thing for anyone that just wants to, like, have a little campfire, or like me, like a fire pit, and just toss something in just to kind of make things kind of cool. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the FireFlame, multicolor packs. See you all in the next video.